Hi, hello dear students. Welcome to our channel Math JEE CBSE classes. In this video, we are discussing about quadratic equations. The continue video for the previous video. The question number 6 to question number 10 we are going to discuss now. Let us discuss in the question is, if alpha beta are the roots of x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0 and Sn equal to alpha power n plus beta power n, then determinant of 3, 1 plus s1, 1 plus s2, 1 plus s1, 1 plus s2, 1 plus s3, 1 plus s2, 1 plus s3, 1 plus s4 equal to. Options are provided. See here, what is the given quadratic equation? X square plus x plus 1 equal to 0 is a quadratic equation whose roots are alpha comma beta, means we can write as alpha plus beta. Sum of the roots minus 1 and the product of the roots alpha beta equal to c by a. So 1. Now take the condition Sn equal to alpha power n plus beta power n. So now I require S1, S2, S3 and S4. So now S1, n is equal to 1, substituting in this alpha plus beta. So S1 value, alpha plus beta value is equal to what? Minus 1. So therefore S1 is equal to minus 1. That implies I want 1 plus S1 value. 1 plus S1 is equal to 1 minus 1, which is equal to 0. So 1 plus S1 value how much? 0. Come to S2. That means n is equal to 2. Substitute in this. Alpha square plus beta square. We know the formula for alpha square plus beta square. Alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. So both the values we know, dear students. Alpha plus beta whole square means minus 1 whole square. So directly I am writing. Otherwise minus 2 into 1. So 1 minus 2 is also minus 1. So 1 minus 2 minus 1. S2 value minus 1. Therefore S2 equal to minus 1. That implies 1 plus S2, that is equal to 1 minus 1, that is equal to 0. Even 1 plus S2 value is also 0, dear students. Now come to S3. N is equal to 3, substitute. Alpha cube plus beta cube. We know that formula for alpha cube plus beta cube. Alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. Okay, dear students. Alpha plus beta is minus 1. Minus 1 whole cube. Minus 3 into alpha beta 1 and alpha plus beta is minus 1. So minus 1 plus 3, that is equal to 2. So S3 value is 2. So therefore S3 value equal to 2. That implies 1 plus S3 I want, dear students. Why? Because in the question they are asking 1 plus S3, 1 plus 2, that is equal to 3. Okay. Now we'll move to last one. S4, n is equal to 4, substitute. Alpha power 4 plus beta power 4. We can write it as alpha square whole square, beta square whole square. That also can be written as alpha square plus beta square whole square minus 2 alpha square beta square. Alpha square plus beta square value we got it now here. Alpha square plus beta square value is minus 1. So minus 1 whole square minus 2 into alpha beta whole square, that is alpha beta value is 1 square. So 1 minus 2, that is equal to minus 1. So S4 is also minus 1. Therefore S4 equal to minus 1. That implies 1 plus S4 equal to 1 minus 1, that is equal to 0. Now come to the required one. Therefore determinant of 3, 1 plus S1, 1 plus S2, 1 plus S1, 1 plus S2, 1 plus S3. Now come to the last row, third row. 1 plus S2, 1 plus S3, 1 plus S4. That is equal to 3. 1 plus S1 value, here it will be there. 1 plus S1 value is 0. 1 plus S2 value is also 0. Next, 1 plus S1, 0. 1 plus S2, 0. 1 plus S3 value, 3. 1 plus S2, 0. 1 plus S3, 3. 1 plus S4, 0. So here, observe carefully. So normal determinant 3 into 0 minus 9. Remaining two zeros are there. You can So that is equal to minus 27. Therefore, the determinant of given problem in this is equal to minus 27. It is there in the second option. We will move on to another question. The next question. If alpha beta are the roots of this equation, then the equation whose roots are alpha square plus alpha plus 1, beta square plus beta plus 1 is. Options are given. So first, alpha is a root of x square plus 2x plus 5 equal to 0, then not only alpha but also beta are roots. So then alpha square plus 2 alpha plus 5 equal to 0. Are you getting all of you? From this on, what I am doing is alpha square plus alpha plus 5 equal to 0. So alpha square plus alpha equal to minus alpha minus 5. But I want alpha square plus alpha plus 1. So both sides 1 we can add. Alpha square plus alpha plus 1 equal to minus alpha minus 5 plus 1. Alpha square plus alpha plus 1 equal to minus 5 minus alpha minus 4. So this is one of the roots. Similarly, we can write it as beta square plus beta plus 1 equal to minus beta minus 4. So this is one root, this is another root. Therefore, the quadratic equation whose roots are x square alpha square plus alpha plus 1 and beta square plus beta plus 1 is. So we can write it as x square minus x into alpha square plus alpha plus 1 plus beta square plus beta plus 1 plus the product of these two, alpha square plus alpha plus 1 into beta square plus beta plus 1 equal to 0. These values substitute in this. X square minus x into alpha square plus alpha plus 1 is what? Minus alpha minus 4. Beta square plus beta plus 1 value is what? Minus beta minus 4. Plus minus alpha minus 4 minus beta minus 4. Okay. Now x square minus x into minus of alpha plus beta minus 8. Here also minus take common from here and here, it will be plus or will be plus only. Alpha beta plus 4 into alpha plus beta plus 4 4 is 16 equal to 0, dear students. Where will get alpha plus beta? This quadratic equation alpha beta roots means alpha plus beta equal to minus 2. Alpha beta equal to 5. Now x square minus x into minus alpha plus beta is minus 2 minus 8 plus alpha beta value is 5 plus 4 into minus 2 plus 16 equal to 0. Now x square minus x into minus 6 plus 5 minus 8 plus 16 equal to 0. So x square plus 6x, 16 plus 5, 21, 21 minus 8 is 13. Okay, dear students, x square plus 6x plus 13 equal to 0, it is there in the fourth option. I hope everyone understand. It is clear, the information. Still any doubt is there, you can write in the comment box. We'll move on to another question. The next question. If alpha beta are the roots of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then the equation whose roots are. So first alpha beta are the roots of this equation. Then alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a, and alpha beta is equal to c by a, dear students. Now sum of the roots and product of the roots you can calculate. This is already, we got sum of the roots and product of the roots of this equation, but they are asking to find the equation of quadratic equation whose roots are alpha plus 1 by beta and beta plus 1 by alpha. The quadratic equation whose roots are alpha plus 1 by beta and beta plus 1 by alpha is. So the quadratic equation will become x square minus x into alpha plus 1 by beta plus 1 by alpha plus product of these two, dear students. Alpha plus 1 by beta, beta plus 1 by alpha equal to 0. Now I am going to simplify this value and this value separately and substitute in this equation above 1. So now alpha plus 1 by beta plus beta plus 1 by alpha equal to. So alpha plus beta clearly it is there minus b by a plus 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta taking LCM alpha plus beta by alpha beta. That is equal to minus b by a plus minus b by a by c by a. A get cancelled. Minus b by a minus b by c. So we can get that. Minus b if you take out common 1 by a plus 1 by c. So a plus c divided by ac. This is sum of the roots. Now product of the roots. Product of the roots is what? Alpha plus 1 by beta into beta plus 1 by alpha. Actual multiplication. Alpha into beta, alpha beta. Alpha into 1 by alpha 1. Beta into 1 by beta 1. Beta into 1 by alpha beta. So alpha beta equal to c by a plus 2. 1 by alpha beta means a by c. So take one LCM is ac. So now a get cancelled, c square will come plus 2ac plus a square. So it is nothing but c plus a whole square divided by ac. Product of the roots, sum of the roots. In place of this, replace with this value. In place of this, replace with this value. Therefore, the required quadratic equation x square minus x into minus b into a plus c by ac plus product of the roots c plus a whole square divided by ac equal to 0. Observe, dear students, second and third term denominators of ac only, no? So throughout multiplying by ac, this equation will become ac into x square minus into minus is plus b into a plus c into x plus c plus a whole square equal to 0. This is the required quadratic equation. So ac x square plus b into a plus c into x plus c plus a or a plus b whole square. So third option we have just this. We'll move on to another question. Next question. If tan a comma tan b are the roots of this equation x square minus 2x plus 3 equal to 0, then sin square of a plus b. This is not only quadratic equation but also trigonometric conditions. So here for this tan a tan b are the roots. Alpha plus beta is shown, you know, from this. Tan a plus tan b is equal to minus b by a means minus of minus 2 by 1. Product of the roots. Tan a plus tan b, so tan a into tan b is equal to c by a 2. Okay. After that, they are asking sin square. Before that, we need to do that tan of a plus b formula. So tan of a plus b equal to tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. That is equal to, better to write here, 2 divided by 1 minus 2, that is equal to minus 2. Okay, dear students? Tan a plus tan b value 2 by 1 minus 2, so minus 2. So this is about tan of a plus b. That means minus 2 by 1 only, you know, tan definition is what? Draw the right angle triangle, here a plus b is the angle. Tan definition opposite by. Generally, we cannot take here this minus, okay, we can take it like this. So obviously it becomes root 5. From this, sin of a plus b from the figure, opposite by hypotenuse, 2 by root 5. They are asking sin square, so squaring on both sides. Sin square of a plus b is equal to 4 divided by 5. This is our required. 4 divided by 5 it is there in the first option, dear students. We'll move on to next question and last question in this class. So the next question. alpha is the root of this equation 4x square plus 3x minus 1 equal to 0, then 4 alpha cube minus 3 alpha is a root or not a root or maybe a root or none. So these are the options are provided. Logically it is given a question. It is a quadratic equation, means 2 roots compulsory. So what are the roots I am taking as? Alpha and beta are the roots. So alpha plus beta will becomes what? Minus b by a, minus 2 by 4, which is equal to minus 1 by 2. This is alpha plus beta, dear students. Next, alpha beta, product of the roots, c by a, minus 1 by 4. Sir, why sir you are doing it this? Here, alpha is a root, then this value. Any one of them, alpha or beta value, we can get it, then only we can decide whether it is a root or not. So, alpha minus beta is equal to root over alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. We have formula, algebraic formula. Then we will get alpha minus beta value, alpha plus beta value. We can simplify, alpha and beta values will come. Now, substitute in this, root over alpha plus beta whole square minus 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4. Minus 4 into minus 1 by 4. So, 4 get cancelled. Root over 1 by 4 plus 1, which is equal to root over 5 by 4. So, alpha minus beta is equal to root 5 divided by 2. Alpha minus beta. Alpha plus beta value is there with us. Minus 1 by 2. If you add these two alpha value will come root 5 minus 1 by 2. So alpha equal to root 5 minus 1 by 4. So like this we will calculate beta value also. Alpha beta is there, no? Alpha beta is equal to minus 1 by 4. That implies that alpha value root minus 1 by 4. So alpha beta value is minus 1 by 4. Alpha value is root minus 1 by 4 into beta is equal to minus 1 by 4. 4 get cancelled. So beta is equal to minus 1 by root 5 minus 1. Multiplying and dividing by root 5 plus 1. Rationalizing and doing the students. So minus root 5 plus 1 divided by 5 minus 1 is 4. So this is about the beta value. Now I am going to simplify this value. Alpha value we got it now. So 4 alpha cube minus 3 alpha equal to, substitute in place of alpha this value, 4 into root 5 minus 1 divided by 4 whole cube minus 3 into alpha means root 5 minus 1 by 4. So 4 by 4 power 3 means 64. A minus b whole cube. A minus b whole cube formula. A cube minus b cube minus 3 into ab, root 5 into 1 into a root a minus b is over, minus 3 into, here denominator is 4, 3 root 5 minus into minus plus. Okay, these students, for 16, 1 by 16, which is 5 root 5 minus 1, root 5 into root 5 is 5, 5 into 3 15, minus 15, minus 3 root 5, minus plus, minus 3 root 5 plus 3 divided by 4. Now take the LCM is 16 now, dear students. 5 root 5 plus 8 root 5, 3 root 5, 8 root 5, minus 16. So minus 3 root 5 plus 3 divided by 4. Now take LCM 16 now. So 8 root 5 minus 16 plus 4 into minus 12. Minus 12 root 5. Next plus 12. Okay, students. 8 root 5 minus 4 root 5. Minus 4 divided by 16. Minus 4 take common, root 5 plus 1 divided by 16. 4 ones, 4 fours. Minus root 5 plus 1 divided by 4, which is equal to beta only, no? I got it here, beta. Therefore, 4 alpha cube minus 3 alpha is equal to beta. Beta is a root of this quadratic equation. given quadratic equation. So it is a root. So our answer is 4 alpha cube minus 3 alpha is a root. Thank you, dear students. Still any doubts are there in this session? You can write in the comment box. In my free time, I'll help you. Thank you all for your support. Jai Hind. Those who are watching first time, first do like and subscribe. If you are really interested about our videos, you can share to other people also. In the coming days, number of JEE mains videos I am going to upload in this new channel. You aware of my old channel, Maths with Panindra? I have number of videos in that uploaded, especially intermediate regarding Maths A, Maths B, 2A, 2B, all are there. Math with Panindra also, it is available. You can go through. If possible, in the description, I will provide the link. Thank you all.